Igbo bụ Igbo ekene m unu na-anabata unu na Igbo Online College. Afa m bụ Ugom Sinachi. In my previous videos, I've taught you how to greet in the morning when you wake up and at night. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to greet at other times of the day. So let's delve right into it. Okay. Now look at this table. You see the greeting, the English translation, the responses, the English translation. Now, on this column, you see the greetings. You can choose from any of these. You can choose the greeting from any of these, and it will be correct. You can choose from any of these. Then for the responses, you can choose from any of these. Okay, so let's go. Kedu ka ị mere? How do you do? Ọ dị mma. Kedu? How are you? Adị m mma. Keekwanụ? How are you? Olee etu ị mere? How are you? Olee etu ị dị? Now, if you are from Imo State, you may want to choose these ones that has olee etu ị mere, olee etu ị dị. Ime agha or aṅaa? Kedu ije? Kedu nke na-eme? Ọkwa a na-eme? Ọkwa a na-eme? Kedu maka ọlụ? How is work? Now, for the responses, you just choose these. Ọ dị mma, adị m mma. Ọ dị mma means all is well. Adị m mma means I'm fine. Anọ m, I'm fine. Udo dị, there is peace. Udo, nsogbu adịrọ or nsogbu adịghị. If you're from Imo State, you choose adịghị. If you're anywhere from Anambra, Enugu, you could go with adịrọ, nsogbu adịrọ. Ije dị mma. If someone says kedu ije? Kee ije, you say ije dị mma. Here it means life is good. Onwero, you can also say onwero tu. Kee nke na-eme. Kedu nke na-eme? Or you say onweghị. A na-eme. Someone says ọkwa a na-eme, you say a na-eme. Ọkwa a na-eme, a na-eme. Kedu maka ọlụ? Ọlụ dị mma, or you say ọ dị mma. So there is no stereotype to this is what you will use or this is the one you shouldn't use. You can ask somebody any of these questions, but if it is somebody older than you, way older than you, not your peer, you use kedu ka ị mere. It is more formal. Then if it is someone you are familiar with, there is no hard and fast rule. You just choose anyone to ask and you can respond with any of these, except ije dị mma, which you respond to kedu ije. You say ije dị mma. Kedu nke na-eme? What is happening? You say onwero, nothing. Ọkwa a na-eme, you say a na-eme. And kedu maka ọlụ, you say ọlụ dị mma. All right, so we go again. Here, ndewo means well done. If you enter someone's space, the first greeting is ndewo before you can say kedu ka ị mere. Then you can ask somebody, you can ask any of these, depending on where you enter, the circumstance will make you understand which one to use. So if you enter someone's space, you can say ndewo. Olukwanu, what of work? Daalụ ọlụ. Maybe the person is working, you can say daalụ ọlụ. Jisie ike, carry on. Then in response, daalụ. Ọlụkwanụ, you say ọ dị mma, it is fine. Ndewo, daalụ. So these are possible responses. You just choose any one that suits you or suits the occasion. Then you choose what question to ask, or when you are asked, you choose the response that suits the occasion. Then we come to the greeting. No, welcome. No, when somebody comes in, you say no, and the person responds daalụ. Ijeoma, safe journey or safe trip. The person responds daalụ. Jee nke ọma, you say daalụ or daalụ rinne. Gaa ọfụma, go well. Ịbatago, are you back? You say means yes. Then ịlọtala, if you're from Imo State, Abia State, you can use these two. Ịlọtala, actually they say ịlọtla, ịlọtla. Then you say ịlọla. The response is still daalụ or daalụ rinne. Daalụ or daalụ rinne. So you just choose whichever one suits you or suits the occasion. Then when you are parting ways with someone, that is, you want to say goodbye, you can say kaọdị, you can say ngwanụ, you can say ọ dị mma kaọdị, you can say ngwanụ kaọdị, you can say ọ dị mma ngwanụ. Then you can also say ka ọ dị oge ọzọ, ka emesịa. In response, you can choose any of these. Ọ dị mma ka ọ dị, ngwanụ, ọ dị mma ka ọ dị oge ọzọ, ka emesịa. You can also say ngwanụ ka ọ dị. You can also say ngwanụ ka ọ dị oge ọzọ. So you can just repeat whatever the person says as the response. So this is the daytime greetings in Igbo, depending on the occasion and what you want to say at each point in time. I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, any comment, please write in the comments below. Daalụ rinne maka ige ntị. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I will see you in my next one. Ka ọ dị.